today's video we will fix the Frigidaire galley dishwasher error code 30 i30 leak detected, drain, plan and reset guide. So the fix one, you can reset the dishwasher, turn off the dishwasher, unplug it from the power outlet or switch off the breaker, then wait for around 5 to 10 minutes and plug it back in and turn it on. Then run a short cycle and check if the error is gone. Fix 2, you can remove water from the bottom pan. Turn off and unplug the dishwasher. Turn off the water supply. Carefully pull the dishwasher out from the cabinet and tilt the slightly backward or to the side to drain trapped water and let it dry for a few hours and place it back and reconnect everything and test it again. Now fix 3, you can check for leaks. Remove the lower front panel if accessible. Look for any visible water leak inside. Then check hose, clamp and connections for looseness and tighten any loose hose connections. And then you can replace damaged hose if needed. The fix 4, you can clean the drain filter. Open the dishwasher door, remove the bottom rack and twist and remove the drain filter. Then you can wash it under the running water to remove the drips and reinstall the filter properly and run a test cycle again. Goodbye.